As a poet once said, रूप है तेरा सोना सोना सोनी तेरी पायल छन छनाछन ऐसे खन के कर दे सबको घायल. And when I think of summer, I don't think anything is more ghayal inducing
Then
than
the summer.
than hot girl summer, bro.
Woohoo!
And I want to take it a level up and make it fuck girl summer. It's the summer of flirtation. It's the summer of body positivity bikini photos. It's the summer of carbs. It's the summer of seltzers. And if you don't know what seltzers are, you're missing out, okay? I'm feeling cooked. I'm feeling grilled. And it's not because summer's coming, it's because Sakshi just sat me down and schooled me like a child
Listen,
on how to talk about.
1 second. We do three intros a day. First two, Kaide se I was like, chal tu bet, I'll do it. One intro. We have not mentioned the podcast. We have not introduced ourselves. We have done nothing.
I am an actor. Give me some lines and I won't snort them.
You're
I
a-
will learn them.
That's not very actor-like
Fine,
of
fine,
you.
fine, fine. And you are the comedy creator specialist. So whatever comes out of your brain through your mouth somehow just makes sense.
Shut up. Now you're a podcaster, bro. How have you forgotten to introduce yourself?
Listen, I am Naina Bhan.
I'm Sakshi Shuddasani.
And this is moment of silence. And I want to take a moment of silence for the impending summer because everything about it is going to be ultra fucking hot. And I'm not talking about the temperature. I'm talking about this bitch right here. And I'm talking
And
about this
this
bitch
bitch
right
right
here.
here.
It's going to be vibes.
Let's get into it.
Bombay's feeling hot in a way that it's already May.
Dude, is this your first May in Bombay? I'm stressed for
No,
you.
it's
okay.
it's my third May. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. ठीक है. I was about to break some really bad news to you.
The thing is, I love feeling hot. I love feeling, I love sweating. I love feeling hot. I hate cold climates. I think you can't fall in love in a cold climate. I feel like only sexy things happen in the summer.
Dude, I feel like summers are for breakups.
Summers are for anything. It's just such a
Yeah,
fucking
what
colorful
so many
time.
possibilities in the summer.
Yeah.
I feel like summer's just not real. It's a time for fun.
For
like
real.
especially if you don't have a job.
As to women in the gig industry, we don't have like any kind of job schedule, and summers are generally a downtime.
Summer is the time for me to like be my best person. So from Jan onwards, like this time it was March because whatever, but I hired a personal trainer last week and he said, June tak, you're gonna have abs. Shout out Ask Natural. Yash from Ask Natural. He's gonna get me abs by June. So watch out. If you see me looking real fit this summer, don't be alarmed. Not me eating a kati roll just before.
So you set your resolutions in Jan, and then on Jan 2nd, you've abandoned them. Then it takes you a little bit of time. Around mid Feb is when you get back onto track, right? And then by March first week, you start seeing the changes in your body. And the minute you start seeing your muscles develop, immediately you drop money on a new wardrobe, you drop money on a holiday, you make your boyfriend drop money on some other things, and that's what summer's about. That's the spirit of summer.
That's the spirit of summer.
Yeah, 100%.
Speaking of that song,
Hmm.
the one that you Nana just sing again.
This one.
Yeah.
I don't know the first line.
Chupti
उससे
jalti.
पहले oh, it starts from there
Yeah.
only. चुपती जलती गर्मी का मौसम आया चुपती जलती घमौरिया लाया आया मौसम ठंडे ठंडे डर मी cool का.
That's the summer bop of every song.
Watch some Instagram DJ like rework this whole thing.
And it's going to be
It's
the
gonna
song
be
we're
like-
all dancing
Yeah.
at. this
Dermy
summer.
Cool X Tyler water, some fucking bullshit. Yeah.
Have you ever used Dermy Cool?
Once. It was very cool. Like it
Yeah.
genuinely like it reduced the temperature.
I just never got what it does till like one time I walked into my parents' room and my dad was using Dermicool. And I was like, wait, I didn't know people really use this. I thought the job was to give you a jingle that doesn't get out of your head and that's where it ends.
Dude,
But
the chokehold that jingles that had to do with like summer products had, like Dermicool or like Itch Guard or that almond
yeah.
oil that you put on your head and you feel cold. I think Govinda was the ambassador
Mm.
of it.
I just remember Amul Macho, which I put in the same category as these summer ads. It's like, buddy,
Synthol.
aram se. This is not very hot girl of us.
You have to have like a humble past to move towards hot girl, okay? My
Fair,
humble
fair.
past was like in the summer growing up playing pittu, playing maram pitti, having my nose bleed, and then coming home, drinking rasna, drinking
Tang.
tang, and doing my maths homework, crying, and going to sleep.
Have you ever been? So, my fucking school, okay, every day at the last day of summer, I used to have to study for a scheduled test
Yeah.
because that's the only way to make sure people don't extend the vacation. And my school was famously the only school that gave literally 1st May to 31st May vacation, and 1st June you come and give a scheduled test. 30th April you give a scheduled test. So like I just remember I used to be like the entire summer I used to be stressed because also I was like a chomu kid. Like I had to get at least 22 on 25 in that test. So it was like not a very fun summer vacation for me.
I have never to this day submitted holiday homework.
Really?
Never. You just have to ask for permission to drink water for 1 month, close to when the bell is about to ring for the period, and eventually your teacher gives up on you.
Really?
Yeah, and I made it out alive, and I'm a
Yeah.
successful content creator today. So no one was injured in
The
the
mo-
process.
the moral of the story is don't do summer homework. And what fucking evil teacher is
Yeah,
making kids do summer homework? Like
like it's her job or something.
disgusting.
Disgusting.
Dude, how are teachers getting 6 weeks of paid leave every year like that? Me, if I don't post a reel today, tomorrow, sushi doesn't eat.
That's true. One thing that reminded me of school summer growing up, it took like 3 years for me to get rid of my sock tan. If you're a kid who wore a uniform and you went to school and your uniform was a skirt, for 3 years of your adult life, your leg was divided into caramel brown and weird, less caramel brown. I don't know what other kind of brown.
Dude, so I went to Sri Lanka in November and I still have a thong tan on my butt because I was surfing, but they would give you those surfer t shirts. And I noticed it literally last night in the shower. I was like, wait, what the fuck is that? And like, my legs are a different color and my back is a different color. And now I'm very conscious about that. But I also thought it looks very hot.
I think it's hot. It's
Yeah.
like that is quite luxury to me. If you have a bikini tan, you did some hot shit this summer.
Dude,
Last summer. This summer also we'll do some hot shit.
my goal for this summer is to have like a hot fucking tan and just like lay on the beach all day with not a care in the world. Perhaps a seltzer, which is local enough for me not to have like, you know, bloating and stuff. I'm in my bikini, I'm living my best life, and like maybe a hot man is coming and serving this pursuit to me and feeding me grapes while we're at it, somewhere on a beach in an undisclosed location.
Yeah. When you're going on like a beach vacation, you want a drink, but like if you keep drinking every day and it's like really hectic liquor, then you feel so gross by the third or fourth day.
Yeah.
That's why I'm always on the hunt for like one of those drinks that just feel good at any point. You can have it with breakfast, you can have it with dinner, and then you just like come back having the best time of your life.
Dude, also, I feel like a good seltzer, you can just drink all day and not feel like You drank.
Exactly.
It goes down
It's a bit
so easy.
Yeah, it's a bit too easy.
Yeah.
I really enjoy it. Speaking of tans and holidays, my first thought always goes to skincare in the summer because
Ooh.
inevitably the forehead doesn't match, the cheeks doesn't match,
Match
the
the
nose.
neck.
Yeah,
Yeah.
nothing matches. And for
No.
pigmented women of India and other brown girls all over the world, how do you figure out what the correct like concealer or like foundation is for you? Because babe, you're like two, three
Dude.
different colors.
You know, honestly, if I come back from a beach vacation of more than 7 days, my bronzer becomes my foundation.
Same.
And I was recently told that it's not a good thing to be tan. That means you have sun damage. So now, whenever I don't care about white cast. I'm like, fuck it. I'm gonna slap that sunscreen onto me. I'm going to look nice and glowy, but I'm not gonna get a tan. Obviously, I fail miserably because I really like tan.
Like a little damage is sexy, you know. The best way to get a tan, the tan hack is that you have to go in the morning, like early morning, go out like between 6 and 8, lay in the sun, and then through the day, you need to look like the Zimbabwe cricket team. Like it needs to be white, like sunscreen all over your body, not one part of your skin needs to show.
I love how we're talking like we live on some beach. We're in Lokhandwala. We're like, just go get a tan. And
I can see the water from my window. So if I just pretend in my brain that I'm not in Versova,
yeah, I too can see the water from my
I'm
window.
bringing Aksa Beach energy.
It's like, when you just start out modeling, there's always like this one amateur photographer who wants to build his portfolio and he hits you up and you want to build your portfolio and he'd be like, let's go to Aksa Beach at 7 in the morning and then we take these shots that make it look like you're on some exotic beach and there are just like men staring at you. Oh, thanks to that Salman Khan song.
Yeah, I love that song. Sun sun ke baatein pak gayi.
Another great summer
Another great
bop.
summer bop. Yeah, but what I love about like summer vacations and what is it about like beaches that all you need to put on your skin is like a cute little tint and you just look so hot.
You look so sun-kissed,
So
bro.
sun-kissed and your hair just falls into these like waves that
Bro, I was just about to say that. Like, who knew the best way to get effortless beach waves
was to go to the
the beach? Wild. And also, another way to get the perfect tan is enter salt water, come out, and then sunbathe.
Okay, there's a thing that I live for. There's a moment. I know what it feels like. My body knows what it feels like. It is like you're lying on a daybed at a beach. You've had like some banana fritters and Nutella. You've had some chorizo pao. You've had a beer. You've taken a nap because the sun is just like knocked you out, and then you wake up around golden hour at like 4:35,
Ooh.
and you go for that evening dip. And that dip, it just like it makes me feel like
Dude.
Katrina Kaif in
In that mango ad, bro.
no, in Zindagi Na Milegi Dobara, bro. Like I'm like every breath I take in this moment, it makes me feel alive. And one of my friends just loves to go and pee in the sea. It's like it's his favorite thing to do. He's like, I just love to go pee in the sea, man. Just like, why do I need to know this and go in that direction? I don't want to go into the water with you.
You don't pee in the ocean?
If there's no one around.
Right, obviously. But like, so we were surfing, and one of my friends was like, I need to get out, I need to pee. And everyone was like, just pee.
Yeah.
And he was like, you guys have just been peeing. Bro, we've been here for 5 hours. How don't you know that I feel like no one should pee in a pool.
Yeah.
But an ocean, that's basically nature's plumbing system. It's not drinkable water anyway.
But if you do choke on it gently, I don't want to know that there's pee in my mouth.
But you know there's pee in your mouth.
Why is this conversation going here? Surfing is very hard, okay? Surfing is a very, very hard activity. I thought I'd look like a Bond girl when I went out onto the water. And then that walk back, like surfing takes every muscle in your body to keep
Dude,
you on a board. It's the worst feeling
it's the
ever.
worst.
It feels like my body is in a washing machine.
Dude, you really get wiped out, and like your swimsuit is like aadha tera. So your hair, no matter how much you slick it back, it's messed up the first wave that hits you out. And when you're walking back, you're just like sandy and tired,
And you're
and
carrying this huge board above your head, and you just need one sip of peeless water and, you know, like a plate of fries.
no one is drinking the ocean water.
One thing that lives rent free in my mind, since we're so like talking about beaches, is like, you know, when the fams come on vacation and then one of the like the female family members in a sari goes paragliding and this garment is just slowly
Isn't that the?
coming off.
Yeah, it was in honeymoon travel.
Oh yeah, but I've seen it in real life.
Same.
I've seen like a sari clad woman sitting like, you know, like this on a horse in Gulmarg going up a ski slope. I'm like, how does it
Dude, how does that
how
work?
does that work? Yeah.
That's wild.
Yeah.
Dude, I was in like the mountains somewhere, and this lady had to be Indian. She was wearing a skirt and she went zip lining. And you know, in zip lining, they put that harness on you, and we could all just see everything. And it was so embarrassing for everyone involved, but she was living her best life, and that's how unbothered I want to be this summer. Just in my lane.
Speaking of unbothered and in your lane, I know that cuffing season is for the winter, but I like it better in the summer because you're more fearless. If someone leaves you, you're like, I'll find 10 more. Because it's the summer. I don't need a jacket to go out. I can fish anywhere I want to.
We sound so delusional because cut to May, we're just giving one more deliverable. It's just that this time when we can't switch on the AC between shots, we're like, it's hot, it's hot.
No, but I always keep my fridge stacked. One side is just ORS Tetra packs, and on the other side is like some form of alcohol that I can have once my deliverables are over. And this summer it's going to be seltzers because they're just so calorie what is the word?
It's low
Low calorie,
and
like
it's
so guilt-free.
refreshing.
Yeah.
Like I've been obsessed with Pursue like for a hot minute now, and I'm going to Spain in the summer, and I'm just in my most Indian thing. You know how people carry ketchup, how people carry Maggie, me with my Pursue ka crate. I'm just gonna be this one, the elderflower and yuzu one. I'm just gonna carry a crate of this, and again some Spanish too.
Yeah. You're like, come, let me show you what India's made of. Pursue salsa.
Dude, yeah, because
Yeah.
we barely have any like fun options
Yeah.
to drink if you want like a casual day bevy in bevy.
Bevy. I also feel like girl palettes and boy palettes for drinks are very different.
Yeah.
And I don't like sugary cocktails. You can't have too many. You can have one.
Yeah. And they get you, they don't get you fun drunk. They get
Yeah.
you
Messy drunk.
plastered,
Like
yeah.
calling your ex drunk.
Yeah.
Like, you know, finding an uncle hot drunk. Like that kind of drunk.
Dude.
I don't want that drunk. I want to be like the kind of drunk where, you know, like how Lindsay Lohan got that European accent that it belongs to nowhere. Like, I want to
Yeah.
get drunk like that, where
Fun drunk.
I just
yeah.
take on a new personality. I'm like,
Right.
so you know how we do it in India? And I'm just like, that's the kind of drunk I want to be.
Just pretend to be like a princess from the exotic
Yes,
land
I am
of
from
India.
how you say Jaipur.
That's really fucking good, dude. It did the salsa make you
The
do that?
Jaipuria accent that I just put on. Yeah. So I feel like this summer is the summer for just like having the most romantic but like flirty, but like kind of lusty dates. Like it's that trifecta.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me know how that works. I'm also excited for you.
I
You've
got an Excel
hyped me
sheet,
up.
honey boo.
You've excited me about this now. My summer better not disappoint.
Why are you making it seem like it's you and me this summer? Like you better not disappoint me. The date better be.
No, I'm saying like the vibes now. You've
Yeah.
got my expectation too high, and I feel like I need to get them slightly lower with the reality of summer because, as we know, you and I are freelancers, and a lot of you guys, I'm sure your workplace doesn't give a fuck about May being the summer month, and a lot of you guys are going to be working through summer sitting in a rickshaw with like your satin shirt plastered to your back. But
That's me. All dude, sorry. But like I'm a big Thai girl. Okay.
yeah,
Autos in the
shaving.
summer, like rickshaw in the summer. I need to carry a tolya. Like I feel so embarrassed. Especially when the rickshaw stops and another passenger's gonna enter like that second, I just run. I'm like, I will not be associated with this sweat. It's not mine. It was the other guy.
Dude, that's actually one of the worst feelings, along with feeling sweat trickle down your back. Like,
Sweat trickle down your
front, bro.
Okay, no one's talking about how your bra is like the.
I
it's
don't
like
wear
a little,
bras.
sorry. You know how your bra becomes like a pond in the summer? It's just a pool for your body.
No
sweat.
fucking way. Dude, summers. And I have to shave every day because, I'm all for body positivity, but I'm not comfortable with I have really hairy legs. Like, I'm sure you guys are comfortable because your legs may not be that hairy, but I have like dark black, thick
Hair.
hair.
Yeah. There's something satisfying about when you get waxed and then your tan comes off with the waxing strip, but the woman's always like, देखो कितनी काली हो गई थी. tan उतर गया, bleach करवा लो ना, पूरी body bleach कर दो. I'm like, I don't want to. I spent 30 days in Goa
Yeah,
trying
come
to look
on.
like an Indus Valley civilization terracotta goddess figurine. That was the brief. Like,
So don't make me change.
yeah.
Do you actually do any prep for summer? I'm thinking about getting laser hair removal before summer.
I really want to get laser hair
Yeah.
removal. I don't mean to just agree with everything you
No.
say, but you speak my mind and I don't know what else to
I've done like 6 sessions of bikini laser.
do.
Guess whose bikini still has hair? And it's not painless.
It's very painful.
It's painful, and you have to make conversation with a lady that's zapping your vagina, and it's not pleasant for anyone. I've sat through it 6 times, and she gives you fun facts about your hair.
What is fun
वो
about hair?
आपका बाल इतना थिक नहीं है, इधर आपका बाल ज्यादा थिक है. वो मैं दूसरी मैडम के यहाँ गई थी ना, उनका
उनका बहुत
काला
thick
था. And it's like, I don't want to know about her pussy, bro. I don't want to know about my pussy.
That's true. Sometimes I wonder when the waxing lady comes, am I her most challenging client?
Dude, that's my nightmare.
I'm like, does she go home and think about today how she really struggled at work? It's like on her resume at Urban Clap. She's suddenly the next time she's a Lux waxer because I got her from basic to luxury. Anyway, so my other plans for the summer, I want to get a tattoo and I want to get a ear piercing. I want to pierce my ears. Have a Perseus seltzer, Sakshi. This one's mango chili, your favorite flavor. I honestly thought after I came back from a very, very horrific incident in my life, I would have lost my sense of humor. But glad to know God can't take everything away from me. Uh, you're a real one. So, yeah. And what I like to do to it is I like to clean my kitchen. I like to spring clean. I like
You
to,
like to spring clean in the summer.
yeah. You
Wha-
know what I did? I went on Amazon and I bought a pair of swimming shorts because I wanted to swim every day and no one has time to wax. So I was like, I'll wear these shorts on top of my swimsuit. And then I'll wear my swimming cap and then I'll wear my goggles. And then I'll look like Natalie Portman so someone will take care of me. I didn't know we were doing that episode.
She's on fucking fire. So, what are your favorite 2000s R&B songs?
Oh my gosh, everything with anything by Destiny's Child, Ciara, Alaya,
Alia.
Alia. Also have to keep listening to Superstar over and over again.
What song?
People
Superstar.
always talk about ew, ew, ew.
Oh damn.
Me and you, it's just me and you.
Me who exclusively listens to Vatan Vatan. I'm like, that song.
Yeah.
Alia, my favorite.
So yeah, I love.
Do you remember that summer where, oh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader? Yeah, that was the last time I was happy.
Oh my God! You remember when we were? Do you remember when we were young, and we used to
When we
go
were
for
young.
okay, when I was young, and then separately when you were young, and somewhere in the time continuum, these 2 points they intersected, and that point was Shamak Dawar's summer funk class. Did you ever go for one of those summer funk?
No, I went for Terence Lewis.
He used to come to
It
my
was
gym.
cheaper.
It was cheaper.
Shamak Dawar was where all the kids who went to vacation in Europe went.
Look, Ma, I am that European vacationing kid. This summer we're planning, Sakshi and I are planning to go for a vacation together.
Yeah, we're actually doing this thing. We have high dreams, low budgets, but we're planning on doing like every place in the world eventually and judging whether it's bachelorette friendly because we're on that hot girl.
We're on that hot girl shit. Yeah, because I've realized that a lot. The reason why you and I became friends is because all my friends my age got married and are having babies. So I'm looking for
Same.
some young blood, some young meat who still is figuring out what her life is going to look like in the next few years.
What happened to you in the last one? We've been shooting since 12. It's 7. How has this just happened?
You can't tell me. You can't. You told me off at the beginning of the episode, and I took it
No,
really
I love
personally.
it. I love whatever you're doing. I'm gonna yell at you before every episode.
The secret to my sauce is negging.
Nana, you suck. You start crying.
I don't cry. When someone negs me, I just wear a very tight outfit and I go out and I live my best life. And I order a very, very expensive drink. And
Gang.
I'm like, yay, this is my life. What's up with you, anonymous profile?
You seem like you're one of those like I don't run into my exes because they're not in the same level as me. They're not in the same places that I am in.
Let's come back to the summer.
So apart from your swim shorts,
Yeah. What about it?
actually also like going for swims. And last year I decided in 1 month I'll swim the equivalent of Bombay to Delhi distance by road. And I calculated it was some like 5,000, 6,000 laps in my pool. I could be getting the numbers wrong. This is not a fucking finance podcast, okay? And I
Oh,
did.
now it's not a finance podcast. This time, someone's like quick to give tips about how to maximize your investment in Dhanteras.
Oh, I'm sorry. How do
Yeah.
you think you're going to buy more swim shorts and
Fair,
swim
fair, fair,
caps
fair.
if you don't sell gold on
Fair.
Dhanteras?
So, how many kilometers did you end up doing? Did you make it to
That's an
Lonavala?
interesting question. I don't think we should measure metrics like
Fair,
that.
fair.
Dude, I got bored because, you know, swimming is. Have you met a swimmer, a professional swimmer?
No.
Aren't they the most dull, boring people?
They have really hot bodies.
Yeah, but like they have to spend so much time with their own thoughts because it's the only sport where you can't listen to music. So they're so quiet. And then they're boring. I used to be a swimmer, so it's okay.
Probably not a great one. You speak so much.
I was just so fast. I could come up and talk.
I'm really happy that you had this personality development. I enjoy spending my time with you, and I'll enjoy it even more when we're sitting beachside, listening to our favorite tracks, drinking some Pursue.
If any brand wants to sponsor a trip through the world and let us know which your favorite bachelorette locations are, we'll defo check them out. And also let us know your ideal summer vibe because we can enhance it with a gift from Pursue.
What is that gift?
That's a great question.
Would
Don't
you
know.
like to? Oh, okay, forget that. Should we? Do you have any like trend predictions for the summer?
Ooh, okay. I think ballet flats, I feel, are back.
You don't like ballet flats?
I hate ballet flats, but also my toes get really claustrophobic. I can't wear sneakers, I can't wear anything because after a while the dogs start itching. I'm like actively wiggling my toes right now, but yeah, ballet flats are back. I feel like they make me look shorter, and because my upper body is so much longer than my legs, I don't need that added shit.
Shortness?
Yeah,
I love ballet flats.
I know.
They're so cute.
Yeah, I know. You look very nice in them.
Thank
Yeah.
you. You look really nice in ballet flats as well. This whole like disproportionate body thing is literally in
It's
your
just
mind.
me. Wow.
Hmm.
Am I being gaslit? Or is my body actually just proportionate? Do you
How,
ever-
in which language should I tell you that you're really fucking hot? That you'll believe me.
Argentinian. That's just Spanish.
Tu,
Oh.
tu, esta, muy, something,
You
something.
start singing that song, Senorita.
Na me sam.
Dude, isn't that a fucking Spanish song? Aren't they in
Yeah.
Italy in the movie?
Are
No,
they? No, they're in Spain. I think that there's like that indie sleaze, indie scene makeup that's trending. Have you seen it? It's like very ashy, like early 2000s, but
Yeah, yeah.
like greasy, dirty
Yes.
vibes.
And they do the whole like they put
Smudged, yeah. Smudged eyeliner and like silver eyeshadow. But I don't know how to take that into the summer.
I don't think I would take that into the summer. It takes a lot of dedication to like keep smudged eyeliner from not smudging too much.
Yeah.
And in this Bombay weather, I'm not so sure. Dude, I'm just worried about my hair. Like in Bombay, this humidity, like I could spend hours straightening my hair. I walk out and it's gonna be frizzy as fuck, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. So if you guys have any products y'all recommend, like comment
tell
them
us.
down below because I'm a lost soul. I'm just a little babe in the woods.
You know what I think will happen this summer? Like I feel like more like girl activities will happen this summer. I feel like all women parallelly are coming to the conclusion that they can do things without their boyfriend.
Yeah.
So I feel like sip and paint is gonna become a huge thing this summer.
Pottery,
Pottery.
spin classes. I feel like this is the summer for spin classes for sure.
That is one place that I love to sweat. Spin class, if you don't know what it is, it's basically a cycling class, but it's like stationary gym cycles, and you have a trainer who takes you through like a course in your mind, and
Yeah.
they play amazing music. I did one to AP Dylan. It was
That
thebomb.com.
sounds like a banger.
Yeah.
Yeah. I would like to do one of all the like summer bops.
Yes. Oh my God. You know what would be really cool? If we actually did a spin class with like some of our audience members in Mumbai.
Yeah, we
Would
could
you guys
start
be
with.
into that?
Yeah, let us know. That sounds that actually sounds very fun, and then we could get like drinks after.
Yeah, we could. That
Yeah.
sounds actually amazing. If you want to dump your boyfriend, but only for 1 hour, come.
Yeah,
we'll,
come. Yeah,
we'll
we're
do
here.
spin together.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dude, let's plan that for real.
You know what I want to make happen this summer? Rage rooms.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like in Delhi, you can just do it on the streets, but in Bombay, you need to control it. So we're going to do it in a room where you
Well-
pay money to beat things.
What's something that you really want to smash, like an object?
I definitely want to take like a baseball bat to a car, but I would also love to break a guitar.
I want to
What would
break
you
a
like?
PS5.
Nah, that's like so small and stupid.
Yeah, but it's personal. Don't come between
Okay,
me
okay,
and
okay,
my
okay.
PS5.
I see you. I see you.
And maybe what's something big, like an unbreakable?
Crypto.
Yes, I would like to take a gun to crypto.
You know what was a trend when I was growing up? Rain dances. Did you ever do a rain
Only on
dance?
Holi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A time where like inappropriate things happen
Dude,
to unassuming women.
bro.
And
Sorry.
rain dances are a breeding ground.
Dude.
Foam parties and rain dances.
Have you ever got have you ever gotten stuck in foam?
No.
You can't breathe, bro. I've almost died in a foam party because I just went down and like I kept looking for a way out.
Oh my God.
But I got up, I was drowning in
That's
fucking
so
2
scary.
feet of foam. So I'm never going to go for a foam party, and I'm going to go for rain dances if I'm not wearing all white.
I remember rain dances. We used to wear our floaters and our basketball shorts and just be like, Mere ishq ki diwan.
Wow, you're really pulling out some bops, bro.
Another bop for our summer playlist. It's going to
It's
be
coming.
uploaded on
Is
Instagram.
this also the same Ishq Kamina song?
No, dil ding dong.
Oh.
ding dole.
I really like the Ishq Kamina song also. Have you heard it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ishq meena, ishq meena, ishq.
I was waiting for her to sing it. I was baiting her because I don't sing.
You know what I want to do? And this is a date idea. I want to go to like an open theater
Oh.
and like sit on like a picnic mat and get my little cute picnic basket and watch like a nice movie.
We should do that in Delhi. Delhi has better gardens.
But very hot in the summer.
Oh.
I guess we'll have to do it in Italy or something.
Cha. Italy mein karna padega.
Karna hi padega.
Maza nahi aaya.
I don't want to do it in Karnal, so it has to be Lake Como, bitch.
Just ask and Deepu and we. I'm gonna go back to. I also want to get a tattoo for summer, and I want to run my idea past you.
Batao.
I want to get a little piggy on my ribs because pork ribs.
I'm into it.
Yeah,
Let's go.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
And the moss hat on the.
On the
finger.
finger. I want to get it here.
I already
on
have
the
a
finger,
tattoo here.
it'll get like
It'll fade.
it'll fade, yeah.
Do you guys have best friend tattoos that you all have with your
best friends.
besties? That's because that's what me and Nena are now.
Yeah.
Woo.
Cheers. What did Clay say? Never above ya.
Never above
below
ya.
ya. Always with ya.
ya. And it's like, ooh, I actually
Until I had to say yes at the altar. Then I was like, peace out, bitch. You on your own.
bye.
Bye.
So like Clay pieced out at the altar. Are we piecing out now? Or are we playing a game?
Let's play a game.
Let's play a game.
Well, let's do word association with summer. And the loser has to drink.
Chug.
But to be fair, like if you drink, it's a win because Percy Seltzer's
Yeah.
fucking yummy.
Yeah. Okay, let's do a game.
Okay.
Does it have to be letter wise or like?
No. Like you
Okay.
say one bikini type, I'll say one bikini type. You say swimsuits. Swimsuits.
Okay. Monokini.
Bikini.
Swim shorts.
Cover up.
Sarong.
Bodysuit.
Hat.
Swimsuit with a skirt and shorts at the bottom. Hat? Did you say fucking hat? Bitch, drink. How dare you?
You seem so occupied. I was like, fuck it.
Yeah.
I also
Chug,
wanted
chug,
to drink.
chug, 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 chug. Salsa's a good drink to chug.
I mean, I would prefer to sip on it, but it's like, apart from one burp that will be coming to you shortly from my mic, it's chill.
Like I like seltzers like you drink kombucha with lots of ice
Ooh.
in a tall glass.
Also, I think seltzers, like, because they're gluten free, they don't make you bloat. So
I love
think,
that for
yeah.
us.
So I think I can chug it all day long. Like, just give me a chance.
Okay, I'll give you a chance. Sand,
Beach,
beach, trees, palm trees,
seashells,
beaches.
surfboards. Drink, bitch.
Sorry. There's I get like decision paralysis.
Like, oh, what sounds more quirky and cool?
Once I was in Goa and I wore this really nice swimsuit, and then I decided to wear it as a top and I wore shorts underneath. And then I went to the loo to pee, but the door was broken. This really hot European guy opened and I was like half naked. It's like, no, I wasn't even looking attractive that I'd be like, ठीक है उसने देख लिया अब मैं क्या करूं? It was just bad. I could not make eye contact after that moment.
He was just waiting for Natasha to say, "Can you share a beach story?" And
No,
you had
you
this,
said I had. What do I do?
you had this in your back pocket.
Because it's a memory that traumatizes me to this day. It sent me to the gym.
The crunchiness of the sand is it's a delicacy.
You can't have fun in the sand, no matter how much people like fantasize about
Like sex on the beach.
Yes.
Yeah. Fun in the sand.
it. Like I feel like you'd come back with scrapes on your leg because the sand is so like rough.
Yeah, but it's the same thing as carpet burn. You can't even have sex in the shower.
That's true.
It's just not, the optics are wrong. Like one
The
person,
temperature of the water
temperature
is
of the
wrong.
water. Who are you fucking that can carry you for so long? Otherwise, are you bending over and the water is just on your lower back?
Your nostrils are just getting choked out.
Dude, I'm telling you, sex apart from the bedroom is overrated.
Agreed.
Yeah.
I plead the fifth. Yeah.
Sex is overrated also. If I would have said none, I would have been like, agreed.
Agreed. I would any day do a second masters.
Rather than sex. How long
I'm
guys,
kidding.
is your sex taking? You can do both. 20 minutes night of free, bro.
Okay. Next word association. Kaju.
Fenny.
Seafood.
Orak.
Villas.
Taj.
Candleum.
Panjam.
Russians.
Church.
Pau.
Chorizo.
Fuck, bitch. Banana Nutella fritters.
Agora. No.
Agora.
Is Agora a place?
Agora.
Agora. Oh,
Drink,
no.
drink.
Isn't Agora the website?
It is.
That books go out.
Chug, 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 chug. There's going to be a comment saying Nana's bullying Sakshi through this video.
No, I think I was just choking on my own spit for 4 minutes.
Any
straight.
Agoda story?
Dude, you know. Aguada, actually. Someone told me Fort Aguada is haunted. So that's why I haven't stayed at the Taj there, not because I can't afford it.
Just to clarify.
Yeah. Just Because, for me, 50K a night on an old Taj.
It's like,
But I can't share the room with a ghost.
yeah. That's where I draw my boundary. Last word association.
Last word is
Sunscreen.
sandals.
Hydrating face mist.
Moisturizer.
That's 3 words.
I talk slow, okay?
Okay. Skin tint.
Sunglasses.
Umbrella.
What?
Yeah, it's hot. You have to cover your head.
Shorts.
Have you not been in actor life before? Don't you have a spot boy?
I'm sorry.
Yeah. Shorts, did you say? Age guard.
Dummy cool.
Rasna.
Tang.
Seltzer.
Picnic basket.
Ooh. Flight
Musty tang.
tickets.
Lip balm.
Sick. That's a every season
No,
essential.
lip balm you need more in the summer.
Okay, fine.
Because of all the make-out sessions you're doing.
Yuck.
Dries it up.
Sorry, can I just say that people who think that when their lips are dry before kissing someone and you lick them, that it's going to be a better experience. It makes your lips drier, and no one wants to feel a fresh layer of your spit on your lips.
What do you mean if you're making out with someone? Why do you care about
No,
the
you know, like
fresh
you're
layer?
going in for a kiss, and then
Mm.
somebody's like,
Noted. Feedback taken. Where was I?
all I'm saying is that studies have shown that it doesn't make your lips any more moisturized.
Studies.
They have lots of studies have
What
shown this.
podcast did you hear? No,
read it
I
on the
agree.
internet, yeah. Summer foods.
Summer food.
Natasha ने बोला है तो मैं
Oh.
बस कर रही हूँ.
Ice
I only
cream.
churran. Is that not a summer food?
Mangoes.
Palak patta chaat.
Fuck off.
It's cooling in your system.
What?
Banta.
What's banta?
Banta. It's a drink. It comes in a glass bottle with a marble on top, and they go, ptt, and then the marble falls in, and then you drink what is essentially a
So she's making this up.
lemon
right?
soda.
Oh, okay. Got it. Summer item, summer food, right? Kulfi.
Faluda.
Tang.
Oh, okay, fine. Just take it. I'm tired. My brain, after 30, your brain stops working.
She had so much energy in the first 45 minutes of the episode.
I practically menopaused through this episode. Goodbye, future
Goodbye,
child.
guys.
Yeah.
I'm Sakshi Shivdasani.
I'm Naina Bhan,
And
for
we-
what may be my last episode with Moment of Silence.
We just started making money.
Yeah, fuck. 1, 2 more.
Yeah, at least let's break even.
Chal, chal.
Chalo. Bye, guys.